Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me a little like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Alright guys, let's get straight into this video. I'm gonna make a Jamaican fruit cake, black cake, Christmas cake, whatever cake you want to call it, guys. Alright, so now I'm making it for somebody. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to kind of balance it out. My fruit soaked, I will leave a link to this one, and I'm going to use about 2 cups of that. I have a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, 4 eggs, and I have my spices, and I have half cup of sugar, 2 teaspoon baking powder, and I have all my essence over there, my red label wine and my rum. Traditionally, you go ahead and use some butter. I'm not going to deal with the butter today, cholesterol too much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to substitute the butter for some olive oil, and I'm going to use half cup, but you can go ahead and use the butter. All right, so now I'm going to add my cup and a half of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoon baking powder, and now I have half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cloves, half teaspoon mace, I think half teaspoon nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon Jamaican allspice, pimento allspice. And that's it for the dry ingredients. We don't want to overdo it, okay guys? So you want to sieve this together. I will leave a link to this, and when you see the link, guys, I put a lot of stuff in it. All right guys, and it was soaking and preserving with some red wine and some rum. All right, this can last for over a year, guys, 1 year plus. So I have 2 cups here. I'm gonna take my time and take it out, pour it in there. I'm gonna add a little bit of wine, like 1/4 cup of wine, to just blend it a little bit. So basically guys, just continue to blend and fold until you get it to how pure you want it. I have 4 eggs, and you know, so me have to take out the chalas or the whites out of it. I don't know why, you know that guys, if you know me. So I have 4 eggs here, and I'm gonna whip them together or cream it. Guys, I forgot to show you this part. This is how it came out. This is how I puree the mixed fruit. Now I'm gonna add my brown sugar. I'm using half cup. I'm gonna add some of this lemon zest in the juice. There you go. And I'm gonna squeeze some juice. About a teaspoon. And I'm gonna pour it out. It's about 2 cups. My mixed fruit. You see all the goodness here, guys? We're not gonna waste it, all right? So I'm gonna add a teaspoon of white rum. I'm just gonna use it to mix it out, guys. Mix out all the goodness. I'm gonna pour my oil in, half cup of olive oil. And if you're using the butter, guys, go ahead and cream the butter and the sugar together. burnt sugar, and this is the one, guys, burnt sugar. You can see it. 1, 2. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon mixed essence, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon almond extract, and we don't need any more wine, guys, because we add the wine to it already. Just mix this together. I'm just gonna fold it in with my spatula. This is ready to go in the oven. You see how fluffy it is, guys? Can you see how fluffy? I'm gonna gradually add my flour in 2 portions. Guys, this name black cake, alright guys? Remember, if you don't want it so black, don't add so much burnt sugar or browning. Maybe you could just add 2 tablespoons. I have a little one and I'm gonna pour it right here. So you're gonna tap and shake, and now I'm gonna pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna bake it for about an hour. And if it's more or less, I will let you know, because this baking pan is like a 7 inches. It's not 9 inches. I have some water in a pan and I'm gonna put it on the bottom rack in the oven. At the half-hour mark, I took the small one out, and this is it. Guys, you should try this. It's really moist. Look at this. Look at that, guys. I don't even check it yet. Let's check it. I leave it in for an hour and about 10 minutes, and I test it already, but there you have it. It's done. Okay. Now guys, I have this spray with some wine, this spray bottle. I'm just gonna put a little bit. I'm not gonna let it be too soggy this time. Just gonna put a little bit. If you want it soggy or extra moist, you put more, but this is good. I'm gonna leave it to cool and then I'll come back. It smells amazing, guys. Super soft. It's so soft. Right amount of sugar. This is it, guys. There you have it. Super moist, super soft. And this is my Jamaican black fruit cake, Christmas cake, wedding cake. Oh, it smells so good in the kitchen, guys. I cut it. Look how soft it is, guys. This is just a small one. This is me tasting it for you. I taste it already. So good, guys.